Number 5.
There's a revolution in miter saws, the Delta Cruzer miter saws, the latest in power tool engineering. Born from military-grade aluminum, they're built with patented technology and easy-to-use features like front bevel and miter release for fast adjustments. These saws have the latest technology and the quality users demand, and they have the largest crosscut capacity in their class. The robotic arms have 12 individual bearings for incredible accuracy and smoothness. The 15-amp industrial motor has a belt drive system for smooth cutting and quick motor braking. The Shadow Guide LED light system indicates blade travel and lights up the workspace. It has a 52-degree left and 60-degree right miter capacity with 10 detents, or bevel to 47 degrees left or right so you can cut it the way you see it. Delta Cruzers are built for years of trouble-free service, and they're backed by a 5-year Delta warranty. Insist on the newest miter saw technology, a Delta Cruzer. Available in 12-inch or 10-inch blade models. Delta, the measure of precision.
Number 4. Number 3.
Your projects have met their match. Introducing the Work Switchdriver. With 2 rotating chucks, you can switch between bits in a second and get your projects done twice as fast. Say goodbye to all the hassle of an ordinary drill. Switch in a second from drilling to driving, Phillips to flat, drill bit to paddle bit, screwdriver to socket. Power through your projects faster and easier with the most innovative drill driver available, the Work Switchdriver. Get yours today.
Number 2.
Our commercial series tenon cutters offer a traditional rustic log furniture joint and are a great choice for beginners. These tenon cutters are proudly made in the USA. The commercial series feature a tapered shoulder tenon profile, a lightweight die-cast aluminum body, a durable high-strength steel shank, and razor-sharp precision ground blades. Our commercial series tenon cutters are a cost-effective way to achieve a traditional rustic look on all log furniture projects.
Number 1.